Girl, this Easter suit, girl, I ain't washed that. That's his Sunday's best. It's gonna be crispy. I ain't messing with that.
Okay.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Here is the part 2 of my nesting video. I am going to start putting baby boy's clothes and all his accessories, bath, everything in these drawers that I got from IKEA. Everything is linked down below. Also, the dividers that you see me using are also from IKEA. So you can sit back and watch, and at the end I will give you a tour of his little bedside nursery area. Alright, see you guys. That way and come over and we'll go through the drawers. So basically this is going to be his section. It's not finished yet. I have some stuff that I want to put on the wall, but it's going to work for now. Once he gets here, we'll probably rearrange stuff to make it suit like our lifestyle. So over here I have my wax melt. It's a lamp and also a humidifier that one of my childhood friends got me. Right here, I was trying to get a changing pad that would go on top of the dresser, but since we didn't get this, my brother and sister-in-law and my nieces were so grateful to them. They got us the whole pack and play, and the pack and play came with this, a changing table, and also that bassinet that I have in the corner. So instead of getting a changing pad to go on the top, I'm just going to use this for now. Up here, this is where all his diaper station is. So we got baby Aquaphor. pacifier clip that needs to go in his diaper bag. Let me put that to the side. And also this diaper cream brush. This is his wipe warmer, and I have to plug it up, but I'm leaving it out until he comes. I've heard only good thing about Mustela. I want to get the whole line, but this is the no rinse cleansing water. So instead of giving him bath every day, I've seen a lot of moms use this to just wipe the baby down. We have, let me see if I can open it. We have water wipes in here. And this is in the wipe warmer. Then we have newborn diapers, y'all. In the video, I was just like, is this how small these diapers are? Like, girl, it's like a baby doll diaper. So we got stacks of these. And then in here, this is his spirit animal. I told y'all giraffes is his spirit animal. And I just put other baby care stuff. He also has a book in here. A lot of baby shower cards because I'm still not sure how I want to keepsake them. We got this Book Ease nasal aspirator. My cousin told me this is better than the Mom Frida one the nose sucker is better than that one. Also, he has this baby lotion and baby wash set. I'm not sure which one I'm going to start off with, so I'm just keeping this here for now. And this basket says Little Things. It was gifted by my work aunt. So let's get into the drawers. So this is his first drawer. Over here is his hats and his mittens and burp cloths. We don't have a lot of burp cloths, so I just folded them right here on the side. But these are his hats and his little mittens, y'all. They're so small. Baby boy got socks for days. When I tell you all them socks that I washed, they go all the way to the bottom. These dividers I got from IKEA, and I linked them in the description box. Right here is all his zipper sleepers. Back here is an extra like snow hat for outside, and then this is an extra swaddle. Right here is all 0 to 3 onesies, and then these right here are sets. This one is for Christmas, and you know, like he's about to be born soon, so I wanted to put that up here. And this is a 2-piece set that my coworker, one of my friends, got him. These are the overflow of the newborn diapers and also the overflow of the water wipes back there. Okay, in here, this is his bibs right here. We have the ones that go like this, and then this is the bandana type. His dad is supposed to bring me more clothes, and so I'm just trying to make room for when they come. And then this is like 3 to 6 months sets, if that makes sense. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Up here is like newborn 0 to 3, but then in this one, I think this is 3 to 6. That's what I was doing. And then this is just making space when the other clothes arrive. In here, we have all those blankets I showed in the last video folding. These are the receiving blankets. I heard a lot of moms use these as burp cloths, so I just had them right here. These are his bath accessories and also the Dove set, so I don't know which one we're going to open. These are his bath robes, bath towels, and washcloths, all right here. This last drawer is the overflow drawer. So this is his Moby wrap that I'm going to be using in the house. This is the wrap we're going to take outside. These are like pamphlets and boxes from Little Things. These are extra dividers. And then this is his bath stuff. So, yep. That's pretty much it. I'll show y'all this part of my closet. Okay, so everything is washed up here except this. Girl, this Easter suit, girl, I ain't washed that. That's his Sunday's best. It's going to be crispy. I ain't messing with that. But everything else I washed and put them on these baby velvet hangers. In here are his little shoes that he has so far. So, 3 pairs of those. And up here, those are like 6 to 9 months in bigger clothes. So, he can fit anything up here that he wants to wear. But I put the sets together like that has 3 or more pieces. Because, baby, I couldn't fold them things like that. So, yeah. So far, this is what we came up with. Let me know if you have questions about anything in the comments. If you want a link to a specific product, let me know. But everything is organized. I'm super excited. This drawer is my favorite. It's my favorite because I really worked hard on it. I folded everything. Everything is like in its place. This drawer is my favorite. So, all right, y'all.